Hello people, and welcome to Crypto Exposed. Analyst says, XRP Q1 close can set stage for a rally to $43. Okay guys, let's see what we've got with this one. So, I've had to do I'm not going to say negative videos lately, but quite a few constructive videos, right? Where I've had to just drop a dose of reality. And so, the thing for me is I want to just make this clear. I'm still bullish on XRP. I'm still holding XRP. I've not lost my faith up until now. And I think this bull run for me is the time for XRP to show and prove. As I've said before, if XRP doesn't perform in this bull run, if we have this bull run and it ends, and XRP is like one of the few crypto assets that performs poorly or just doesn't perform at all, well, yeah, at that point, I think we have to have a very real conversation and be honest with ourselves, right? But I'm not at that stage yet, and I've said this in a previous video. The reason why I still think XRP can get to like all-time highs even without like the utility aspect of it is because, look, when you're in a bull run, it's not about utility. That's just the truth of the matter. And you can probably see that when you're looking around at meme coins and stuff like that. It's just pure mania. It's what is going up? What is a green candle? Let me buy in. Like, that crypto's going up. Okay, let me buy some of that crypto. That's what a bull run is, right? Now, don't get me wrong. The more savvy investors are obviously picking their coins in the bear market, getting ready for the bull market. So they're looking at it very differently. But what really brings the mania to the cryptos is the very fickle investors, because they're the ones who just get in and they're not really looking at what they're investing in. They're just thinking, okay, this is going up, so let me buy this. And a lot of people follow that trend. They're the same people who will panic sell and FOMO buy, right? And they're the ones who really drive the prices up. And so to me, when I look at XRP, for example, when it did that like 20% increase in like an hour, if that happens again for XRP and it starts rising, exponentially, people are going to want to jump in. Like, it's not going to be a thing about caring about its utility or anything like that. It's just going to be, hey, this is looking good. It's a green candle. Let me buy in. It's as simple as that. So my faith in regards to XRP still running in this bull run, it's still high even without the utility aspects. Yeah, so this is why I'm still confident that XRP can do well. So in my opinion, the opportunity is still there, but time will tell. But as we've got here, an analyst saying $43, I mean, sounds great, right? So let's see what they've got to say, because as I've told you before, I'm seeing numerous analysts and they're all saying very positive things about XRP. So that to me is telling, right? I'm hoping that these are right, and I don't know whose prediction is going to be right in terms of the price, but the fact that they're all very bullish and they're all saying positive things to me says a lot. So I'm willing to listen to that. But let's get into the article and then we can discuss this a little bit further. Notable market analyst Xrp recently spotlighted XRP close of the first quarter of 2024, calling attention to a possible push towards a $43 price. XRP has not performed as impressively as the rest of the market this year, as the first quarter comes to a close. The token only closed Q1 2024 with a 2.2% gain, while Bitcoin, in brackets BTC, surged by a whopping 68%, and Ethereum, in brackets ETH, recorded a 59% appreciation. A multi-year symmetrical triangle. Despite the unimpressive performance, analysts such as Xrp remain confident in XRP's potential to reach greater heights. In one of his recent analysis, Xrp identified a multi-year symmetrical triangle that XRP has traded within since January 2018. The asset's first attempt at breaching the upper trend line of this triangle occurred in April 2021, when it rallied to $1.96. However, the resistance at the trend line foiled the cryptocurrency's campaign. XRP pushed to breach the trend line again last July, but faced resistance at 93 cents. Following the close of the first quarter of the year, data from Xrp's accompanying chart suggests that XRP has two possible directions from its current position in the symmetrical triangle. One of these directions involve a drop to the lower trend line of the symmetrical triangle, aligning with a low of 44 cents. Y calls this point the door to Valhalla, representing the start of a push toward lower price levels if the bears breach beneath the lower trend line of the triangle. However, XRP also faces the possibility of pushing to bullish territories. This would materialize if the cryptocurrency records a breakout above the upper trend line of the symmetrical triangle. This upper trend line aligns with the 75 cents resistance point, which Y calls the gate to Valhalla. XRP could surge to $43. Once XRP breaches the gate to Valhalla, in brackets 75 cents, the crypto asset could witness a push towards more substantial price gains. The first major resistance the asset could face on this journey is the all-time high at $3.70. A push above this level could take XRP to Fibonacci level 1.618 along the $6.40 price. Despite the prospect of a new all-time high at this level, Y presents more ambitious targets for XRP. He expects the asset to sail to a double-digit price, specifically $13.30, following a capture of the $6.40 price. Y further sees XRP breaching $22 and $29 to reach an ultimate price of $43, aligning with Fibonacci level 2.618. To solidify his confidence in XRP's prospects, Y presented a separate analysis outlining the asset's monthly movements. He stressed that if XRP closes March above the 21 EMA, it would confirm its strength, with a possible rally to $32. XRP successfully closed above the 21 EMA, placing itself on the path to sustained bullishness. Meanwhile, the asset currently changes hands at 61 cents, down 2.37% over the past 24 hours amid the market-wide slump. Okay guys, there you have it. So I'm not a chart analyst, so I can't really give any kind of credibility to any of this stuff, but hey man, I'm just hopeful, you know. $43 XRP, it would definitely exceed my expectations, so I would love for this to happen. Look, the main thing that I was saying is just as I said earlier, everybody is speaking positively about XRP. They're all saying that it's going to do well, and they're saying its time is now. Let me just say this. When they say now, doesn't literally mean this second, doesn't mean this day, like we mean within this bull run, right? So that could be another week, it could be another month, right? It doesn't be specific when they say now, okay? But we've always known that XRP does lag behind. And I know people get frustrated in hearing that, but that is the truth. Like, it's frustrating to hear because you're emotionally invested, right? You want your money now, you want your reward. So I get it, and I know it's hard when you're seeing other cryptos take off. But if we do know that XRP historically lags behind, we do have to take that into consideration, guys, because the bull run isn't over yet. So the fact that XRP hasn't taken off yet, it really does make sense, right? It does if we're going off past data. So we will see. Look, I still remain with my eyes wide open. I'm very accepting of the fact that XRP may not perform. Like, there's no guarantees here, of course, but I remain very optimistic. I think everything is still in play for XRP to do well, in my opinion. I still think that it will do well. If it doesn't, as I said earlier, I most definitely will be having a conversation. I'm not going to be holding back or anything like that. I 100% will have the difficult conversation if that becomes the case. But right now, I know that we're not over yet in terms of this bull run. I don't believe it's finished as it stands right now. So to me, I'm still very optimistic, right? I'm still very optimistic to see where this can go. And this is its time. You know, like, as I say, this is the time. Like, when this bull run is finished, and then we look back and we see, you know, what cryptos have performed, and specifically XRP, that's when it's going to be an interesting conversation. In my opinion, I think that we're going to be very happy in the end when we look back at all this. But as I've said before, if we're not happy, then the conversation definitely will be had, and I will be here and I will be ready for it. But to me, I say, let's let the market do its thing. Let's give it the time that it needs. and let's see where we are. You know, for me at the moment, I still have the faith, which is why I haven't sold. So I'm still willing to wait because I do believe XRP is going to go much higher. So I'm willing to wait this out. I hope you guys are feeling okay too, but I'm not here to tell you what to do because that's completely your choice. But for me, I'm just thinking like, this is just my personal perspective. I'm not telling you what to do. This is just my opinion. I'm just thinking I might as well wait and see where we are at the end of this board. So we will see. But for me, I'm still optimistic. So this is great stuff to see. But what do you guys think? XRP going to $43. Do you like the sound of this? Do you think that XRP could reach $43? Or do you think that XRP could actually go higher than $43? Or do you not like the sound of this? Do you not think that XRP could reach $43? And if you don't think that XRP could reach $43, what price do you think it can get to? Let me know your thoughts, guys. I'd be interested to hear. Thank you very much for watching this. If you did like it, please remember to drop a comment, like, and subscribe. But until next time, take care.